Now, everybody loves yard work. They love to rake leaves, they love to snow blow, of course, but it turns out that the robots are going to take over that job for us too. I'm in the Yarbo booth with Kathy Zhang.
Yes.
And she's going to talk to us about some robots that maybe can take over these tasks for us.
Sure. So basically you can see it's like all season use yard robots, which is fully autonomously. So you can see right there, that's our snow blower right there. And then this is our lawnmower module, and then the blower module. And
so wait a minute, I love to do, I have a blower for my leaves.
Mm-hmm.
So do I still walk around and get to do it, or does that happen autonomously as well?
It's autonomously as well. Yeah, so, but you also have two options. The first option is fully autonomously. You just do the boundary, just draw the boundary, and then it would do the autonomously working plan for you. And then,
does it know where to blow the leaves to?
Yeah, so basically you just set it up, adjust it on the app. Yeah, so you can just control and adjust on the app. So you know, you're just pointing out where you want to blow the leaf, and then it will be doing the calculation by itself, and then just follow the path for to clean.
So a blower, like a snow blower or even a leaf blower, isn't a dangerous thing, but a lawnmower, that's a little bit scarier. How does it avoid, I don't know, children, animals? How does that work?
Good question. So actually you can see here, every module in the front, we have 2 cameras. And then also the sides on both sides also have the cameras, and then back also have the cameras, so which have 6 cameras in total. So definitely 360 degrees all covered by cameras. So if you are standing in front of the module right there when it's cutting the lawn or snow blower the driveway for you, it will detect you and detect the person or detect the animals, any object. So it will just stop right there. So snowblower is stop right there until you say it's safe enough, so I'm continuing to work. If it's lawnmower, it's just saw the obstacle over there, just do the obstacle avoidance. So stop right there and then go around it.
Okay, so I guess we trust vacuums to go around us. Mm-hmm. Now it's a little bit scary going up a level, but this is pretty fun. I love it. So the company is Yarbo, Yarbo.
Yes.
And what's the website?
Yarbo.com, Yarbo.com.
And are these products available now?
Yes, it's all on sale right now.
Oh, very good. Let's see, Steve is giving me the money symbol. Let's say the lawnmower. How much does the lawnmower cost?
So the lawnmower is about like $4,000. Yeah, it really depends on what's the location you are, the shipping cost. But like you can see, it's 4-in-1 units. So altogether, it's about like 6,000.
Okay, so you can buy the whole suite of products.
Yes, like around like 6,000 to 7,000.
I see. That's a lot of kid payments, but I think it's something a lot of people want to do is not do yard work. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you.